In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a camera icon in Figma in just a few simple steps. This is a super quick and useful workflow if you want to add clean, professional icons to your designs without drawing them from scratch. Whether you're building a UI mockup, a social media graphic, or a website layout, this method will save you time and keep everything looking consistent. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Figma tips. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Figma design file and make sure you're inside the design area where you want the icon to appear. At the bottom toolbar, look for the Actions icon. This is where you can quickly access tools, plugins, and widgets that help speed up your design workflow. Click the Actions icon and a menu will open. From there, select Plugins and Widgets. This section lets you search for helpful add-ons that can bring in icons, shapes, illustrations, and more. Now, in the search bar, type Iconify. Iconify is one of the most popular icon libraries available inside Figma, and it gives you access to thousands of ready-made icons in different styles. Once it appears in the search results, click to run it. After the plugin opens, you'll see a search field. Type camera into the search bar and press enter. Iconify will instantly show you a range of camera icons in different designs, sizes, and styles. Take a moment to browse through the options and choose the one that fits your project best. When you find the camera icon you want, simply drag and drop it onto your canvas. You can place it exactly where you need it, just like any other object in Figma. From there, you can resize it, change its color, or align it with the rest of your layout. If needed, you can also duplicate it or group it with other design elements to keep your workspace organized. And that's it. You've now created a camera icon in Figma using Iconify. This is one of the fastest ways to add polished icons to your designs, especially when you want a professional look without spending extra time building everything manually. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next Figma tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.